How to make a snow person. This is how to make a snow person. You need to make a bottom, a middle, and a top. You need supplies to add details to. First, draw a big ball. This will be the bottom of the snow person. Second, draw a small ball. Then the first ball. This will be a middle of the snow person. Third, draw a small ball, then the second ball. This will be the head of the snow person. Now you fourth, set a middle on top of the base. Then set the head on top of the middle. Now you can have a body. Next, you can add details to the body. Add arm to the middle balls of a snow person. Add eyes, a nose, a mouth to the head. Trying to use materials that match the shape you want. Will your snow person have a big nose? Will the snow person be smiling, warning? Then you can put a hat on your snow person's head. Finally, you can wear a scarf around your snow person's neck. You have made a snow person. Will you make a friend for your snow person?